anda telah mendarat di lapangan terbang Tawau. Bagi tujuan keselamatan, anda dihendaki berada di tempat duduk sehingga isyarat pasangkan tali kereta dipadamkan dan pesawat berhenti sepenuhnya. Berhati-hati ketika membuka ruang penyimpanan di atas. Pastikan semua barang bawaan anda telah diambil. Anda dibenarkan memasang telefon bimbit selepas tanda isyarat pasangkan tali kereta dipadamkan. Kapten Salihudin dan anak-anak kapal mengucapkan terima kasih kerana milih Malaysia Airlines yang merupakan ahli One World. Kami menghargai kerjasama anda kerana mematuhi larangan merokok. Semoga bertemu lagi dalam penerbangan yang akan datang. Ladies and gentlemen, we have landed at Tawau Airport. It is a safety requirement that you remain seated until the aircraft comes to complete stop and a seatbelt sign has been switched off. Do be careful whenever you open the overhead compartment. Kindly ensure you do not leave any of your personal items behind. You may use your mobile phones after the seatbelt sign is switched off. Captain Salihudin and the rest of the crew would like to thank you for choosing Malaysia Airlines, a member of One World Alliance. Look forward to seeing you again and thank you for observing the smoking restriction. Have a pleasant day.